from the Power of Yoga. I'm just going to tell you what happened today, okay, to show you how the situation is. So you probably noticed that when you go outside, when you go on the street, nobody is wearing mask anymore, okay? There is one person out of 20 people wearing mask, and nobody is wearing gloves. We just have to take a stand back and to see what's going on. So we have the climate change, all right, to deal with, and we also have the COVID-19. So people are completely overwhelmed by this. They are in a state where they are scared of the future. They are scared of what can happen tomorrow. And they are actually losing their abilities to socialize and to interact. And I'm going to give you an example for that. So this morning I went to the post office, okay, to send a postcard for my dad, and I was making the queue for stamps, and then I talked to the lady. She was unable to calculate how much I needed to pay for the stamps, and she apologized and she said to me, "Oh, I'm really sorry, but my brain is not working today." So that is and I feel really sorry for that lady, okay? She doesn't have the ability to think anymore because she's scared, and everybody is scared. But for some reasons, there is still a lot of people out there that don't understand what is going on. There is a really dangerous pandemic, okay, spread around us, and people don't even take the time to wear at least a mask when they go to a store. So that's very worrying me, okay? So that is on top of the global warming that we have to deal with, and it's really, let's say, scary, and it's disastrous for people, and especially for vulnerable people and seniors that don't have the ability right now, okay, to deal with it. But nobody has, okay? So we need to find a way to deal with it, and that's the reason why I made this video. So I would like you, okay, guys that are a little bit younger, to start to take responsibility for what's happening, because we cannot hide anymore. We cannot hide and wait in our house until things get back to normal, because we don't know if everything is going to go back to normal. We don't know what's going to happen in November, okay? Apparently this is not over yet. So let's just have a call of action, and let's try to every day make a difference, show up where you have to show up, and do whatever you can to relax first, and to relax people around you, because there are loads of people around us that need some attention, that need help, that need our support. So I'm gonna give you your first homework. If you want, you take it on board, and you don't, if you don't want to, just keep on doing what you were doing so far, meaning stay at home and get scared and freeze completely, because that's what people are doing. They're frozen, they can't do anything anymore. So what we need to do, we need to start using our guts, and we need to take some action. So first action, let me tell you, okay? I'll give you an example. It's gonna be very small by small, okay? Step by step. Make a difference for the environment. So a couple of days ago, I didn't even know that we can recycle eggs boxes in the brown bin. So it's very easy. You don't have to think too much, okay? So when you get your box, okay, your eggs box, you see the lid on top, so you just have to remove the lid, okay, just to actually peel the label, okay, sorry, that's the label, And then you put the label in the green bin, but that goes in the brown bin. I didn't know that, nobody told me, and I was keep on putting this box in the wrong bin, which was the green bin. So guys, remember, brown bin for the box and then green bin for the label. You will be doing just a little action every time you put your egg boxes in the bin. Alright? So that's the first step. That's a baby step, but that is a good one. Second one, start to move. Start to do some exercise, because exercise is good for your brain and it will help you and it will help you people around you. So we're gonna do a little sun salutation. So come onto your mat. Alright, that's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to worry about your wallet, about the end of the month. Come with me, come on top of the mat, onto hands and knees. And then we're just gonna take 3 breaths here. Take a deep breath in. Bring the chest forward. So we're gonna do 3 cat-cow, okay? Nice and gentle, nice and slow. And then exhale, round the spine, bring the chin towards the chest. 2 more like this. Take a deep breath in. Relax the top of the feet down. Stretch the spine forward. Squeeze the elbows in. Send the chest slightly forward. Exhale, coming in. Last one. Inhaling. Pressing the palm of the hands down to the ground. Squeeze the elbows towards the chest. Arching through the spine. Exhale, chin to chest. Well done. So now, from that pose, try to come onto downward facing dog. If it doesn't happen, don't worry. You don't have to do it. Just stay in hands and knees. And then from hands and knees or downward facing dog, step your right foot forward and your left foot forward. Come onto a bend pose. So you know when you bend to grab stuff, well, it's exactly the same pose. Drop the head down, bring your hands up to the ground. Exhale here, 3 breaths. 3. Deep inhalation, exhale. Drop the head down, drop the neck down. Release all the tension away from the body. Inhale, bring your hands onto the floor if you want to, or bring your hands onto your shin. Exhale, fold forward. Last one. Inhale. You can bring your hands, fingertips onto the ground if you want to. If you want to stretch the back legs, do so. Last inhale. Exhale. Release the chest onto the thigh. Lovely. Get ready. We're going to go up. So bend the knees. Take a deep breath in. Slowly come up. You're not going to see my head, okay? So don't freak out. Okay? Don't get scared. I come back. Arms lift to the sky. I'm going to come onto the knees so you can see me. And then exhale, hands onto your heart. Lovely. Bring the hands onto the ground. Press the hands down. Stretch from the elbows here. Stretching the triceps and the side of the wrist. And then exhale. Stretching one leg back and the other. Come back to downward facing dog. Exhale. Press the balls of the feet onto the ground. So big toes, middle toes, every single toe pressing down to the ground and stretch the back of the legs. And then exhale, come back onto hands and knees. Fall onto your right side hip. And there you go. You've done your first sun salutation, guys. Well done to you. Alright, first action accomplished. That we have a class going on, okay, online class, almost every day. It's not every day, but almost every day. So you can come with us, you can join us on Zoom. We do some online classes, and your first class is completely free. So if you are interested, just register, take action down below, or you can also call us or text us if you need more information. Okay, have a great day. Don't drink too much, don't eat too much, don't think too much, and everything will be okay. And wear mask. Don't forget to wash your hands and to wear mask. Namaste.